Okay, so with this we come to the end of the fashion show and we'll be waiting for the results.
Second place is the first years. And the first place goes to the second years.
Whoa, 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 Spartans! Yeah, and I would like to thank our judges for being so patient and managing the event so gracefully. If you guys want to listen the final scores, you guys can please wait. At least the audiences, the students. Okay, we'll just calculate it and we'll let you know in another 2 minutes. The scores are quite obvious. I can hear the first years. Can I hear the first years there? No, ma'am. Total first years ahead. Yeah. Then. Hey, don't tell about PGs. Don't tell about PGs.
So here are the scores. Finally, we have.
Guys, you can sit and then you can jump again. Please sit. I will let you know the final scores.
So on the 7th place, we have the second years with 170 points. On the 6th place, we have the third years. I'm sorry. On the 7th place, we have the third years with 160 points. The 6th place, we have the second years with 170 points. And then on the 5th place, we have the PGs with
Come on, PGs!
With 180 points. That was for the PGs. And then the 4th place for the interns with 200 points. The 3rd place goes to the final years with 220 points. And then the 2nd place goes to the staff with 280 points.
And the first place goes to the first years
with 320 points.
The first appearance and it was amazing. You guys are gonna get to see more first years for the next 5 years, guys. Thank you.
Here we come to the end of 2 days of Dhamakedar action-packed events. This surely has got to be a very impressive and has definitely marked a place in the history of RGDC.
And I take the opportunity to thank the audiences here for being so patient and being such an amazing audiences. And personally, as well as from all the PG side, we would like to thank you for all the support. And last but not the least, but I, Sarvesh,
myself, Janet,
we sign off from here now, and we'll see you. I might not see you next year, but it was nice having you guys. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye. And the volunteers kindly stay back, please. Volunteers and the interns kindly stay back at the event, please. Volunteers and the interns.